Hello, I'm Soyel. I scored 95 percentile in my first attempt and improved all the way to 99.6 percentile in my second attempt. And this was all due to SSAC. I would not have been there without them. As for my preparation journey, I knew nothing about drawing. After joining SSAC, the teachers helped me a lot and they improved my drawing a lot, and I was able to secure 94 percentile in my drawing part because of that. In the aptitude part, I would like to say that all the questions came directly from the like classes, SSAC books, and mock tests. The mock tests helped me a lot there. In the maths part, um, I was able to improve my score from 34 to 94 percentile, all due to Arun's guidance. Without him, I do not have able to achieve this. I was a little bit demotivated after the first attempt, as I expected a little more marks, but Arun sir and Shruti ma'am had all faith in me and told me that you could definitely score 99 percentile in the second attempt, and that belief changed everything. I have done nothing extraordinary in my preparation journey, just I have sincerely followed the classes and do what all the teachers have told me. I just focused a little more during the exam time, and that brought this result. I would like to thank all the faculty of the SSAC which helped me through this journey. The explanation of Farooq sir got me every time. It was so much beautiful, and he explains everything in such a beautiful manner that you will never forget it. Anandya sir was always there when you needed him. For all the troubles we got, all the college queries we got, he always solved it. Sweshta ma'am and Mini ma'am always helped me personally in my drawings. Because of them, I improved it so much. Shruti ma'am has made our classes so much fun. She not only taught about the preparation of the exam, she taught us how to be in our architect journey and told us many things, many life related things that will be essential later. She made the classes very much fun and interactive. As a student, I would definitely recommend SSAC as your first choice for preparing for JEE paper 2 and NATA exam. It helped me a lot and it would also help you a lot. Maybe you can become the next topper. Thank you.